Hello, world history hikers. My name is Wally, and today we're gonna check out a cool castle. Ruff.
Hello, we're the history hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
This is Kali. We're going to climb up to the Chateau de l'Andouque. I've got a local guide here to tell us all about it.
It's very cool.
Let's look. This ancient site, hidden between the trees and rocks, hides a small castle ruin. With its first mention in the year 1000, it is one of the oldest castles we visited these past months.
The old castle of Andouque is now nothing more than the ruin of a rectangular stone keep or donjon located on an impressive hill dominating the valley around it. The tower is surrounded by other small ruined walls, though it's hard to distinguish what any of these must have been.
From the castle of Andouque came, of course, the Andouque family. Among its fairly obscure kin came one more notable descendant, namely Pierre d'Andouque, who would go on to become the Bishop of Pamplona in Spain.
Part of the History Hiker's mission statement is to highlight even the most obscure castle ruins around, and Andouque is no exception. Though we can't tell much about what transpired here through the ages, in fact all we found was one measly Wikipedia page, we can say that the castle has retained its charm, standing proud at 12 meters tall in this beautiful valley. Be sure to return for our next video if you want to see more of our hike and our awesome guide dog.
That was the Chateau de l'Andouque. And now we're gonna continue on with the subjective
Arbitrary.
castle score. And I'm gonna go for a 5.5. First of all, because it's quite a cool surrounding. It's just a donjon, but the surroundings are really cool. And we have a dog with us. What do you think?
I would say a 4.5. Surroundings and dog, yes, plus points, but yeah, it's not that much.
Kind of boring. We were the History Hikers. Thank you so much for watching.
Please put your own subjective arbitrary score in the comments. And otherwise, like, comment, subscribe and all the good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these kind of castles.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye!
Bye. Bye.